Hey Rachel, this is Viola from Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you guys can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple. Because there are a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers, and it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves, and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. If you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website is a great looking website. I mean, you guys have some great photos on here. I love the videos that you have going on here. You have some great photos. I mean, overall, it's just a really good looking website. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you based mostly on content. So if somebody goes on Google and they type in roofing in McDonough, Georgia, Google's goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. So whatever the number one is, that's going to be the article they're going to put them in front of. And the average website on the front page of Google is 1,890 words on it. And you guys have upwards of 650, maybe 750 words. So you're currently sitting at about that amount, but it's going to, 1,500 is the way that you want to go. All right. If you take a look at your number one competitor over here, Roof It Forward, these guys on their homepage, they don't have 1,500 words on their website, yet they're still beating you guys out. So it's going to be very easy for you guys to outrank them and beat them by getting 1,500 words on your site. Now, let's get back over here to yours. One more thing I wanted to show you, images. If you take a look at these images, if I click on it and I try to save it, you guys can also use these images to save it with different keywords in them so you could get ranked for those keywords. Now, after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy. And Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot more power from from different roofing companies linking to you rather than Pizza Hut linking to you, because obviously Google knows you're not a Pizza Hut company. So this little tool that I use over here, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it can give you such valuable data about what's going on in the back of your business, in the back of the websites. As you can see, it says that you guys have 44 websites linking to you, which is giving you guys about 63 people per month in organic traffic. Nothing to scoff at. You know, there are so many different roofing companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone have any referring domains or websites linking to them. So if you take a look at your competitor, Roof It Forward, they have 127 websites linking at them, which gives them an organic traffic of 551 clients extra per month. You know, and the best way, if you want to beat them, you're going to want to add another, you're going to want to add another 300. Yeah, if you add 200 to 300 websites linking to you, and what I would do is just copy them. I will copy them. I'll go in here and take a look at all the different referring domains, take a look at everybody that's clicking or looking at them, such as the roofing org, homeimprovement.com, all these different places. I will take a look at them, and I would basically just add those to my website. You just go down the list and you can either create an account with these companies, or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. Either way, but imagine if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic, you know, which is 551, I believe it was. Yeah, 551 extra clients on the month. So let's go back here. When somebody clicks on roofing in McDonough, Georgia, and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first roofing company that shows up. that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that roofing company because those are the easiest customers to close. Now, people usually skip these ads. See all these ads here? People usually skip right past them all the time, whether that's because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you're going to want to rank yourself is in the local map pack, which is right here. And the reason why you want to do that is because what's going to require you to get in here is that you have more citations than your competitors. Anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. These are the most common ones, but the best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the same exact directories and then add a bunch more on top. So if, for example, Total Roof Solutions has 150 directories, put yourself in like 250 to 300, all right? And that way you'll be able to beat them out. So that's just about all I have for you. And it was just a quick recap. Just to give you a quick recap, you want to get your website up to about about 1,500 to 2,000 words. You're gonna want to have at least 300 websites linking back to you, 250 to 300 referring domains at a minimum. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number on as many directories as you can, but definitely more directories than your competitors. Now, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. It's free education. I am just trying to help, like I said, as many business owners as I can. But if you want any help doing it, you could give us a call. Our phone number is 404-345-2771. Again, that's 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.